Good morning to everybody. Welcome to the today class of the IIT, and the topic is which I am going to deal is today is intellectual property law. Yes, to make myself confirm that what I posted on the screen, please read. Anyone
Good
can
morning,
unmute.
sir.
Yes, very morning. What I posted on the screen, please read. The same thing which you did did a mistake yesterday. Yes.
Liars are the foot soldiers of our constitution.
Yes, once again that I made it so that you could read it well. Yes, another logo that which I am making over there. Can you tell me what is this logo stands for? Could you see the logo?
Not, sir. Now I am seeing, sir.
Yes, is it a trademark? This is called a trademark.
Trademark. Okay.
Yes, this is one of the intellectual property law, trademarks laws. So there, trademark act. Can you tell me what is the trademark which you could see here? Because I am sure that you are having the car.
Yes, sir.
Yes, can you tell me? Can anyone unmute and give me
Honda,
the answer?
sir. I think it is Honda.
Next.
Next, Tata. I think. Tata not. First one is Hyundai. Next one is
Next
Nissan,
is
sir.
anyone? Yes, Mahindra.
Mahindra. Okay.
Yes,
Sir.
now you can tell me that what is this, the first one? Here, a cursor I am showing.
Yes, sir.
It is a 1, 2, 3, 4 rings joined together.
Okay.
Anyone can quick back, because why I am showing this thing is I want to know whether this logo is a nothing but a trademark. Okay. If anybody violates it also, he will be booked under the Trademark Act. Yes, this is the audio. AUDIO audio. This is a BMW. This is Chevrolet. And because it is a Ford is given. This is Honda, Honda. This is Jaguar. Of course, Maruti Suzuki, it is given in this way. And this is Mahindra just before. This is VW, Volkswagen. This is Toyota. This is Toyota. This is Skoda. The upper one is this is Honda. This is Honda. This is Hyundai. Yes. Next down. This is there. The cursor I have shown is anyone unmute and can give me the answer. Renault. Yes, of course, Nissan everybody knows is because it is clearly given over there, and Mercedes Benz also is because it is like an angle. What about this one? Where the cursor is there? Mitsubishi, this is Tata. Yes, why I am showing this is the point of my showing is to know these are the logo is nothing but the trademark. Like Agmark is there, trademark is there, and three mangoes. What is three mangoes? Trademark. Yes. Anyone? Anyone? Just to say pass on, I can give the answer. Charles Vinay, are you there? Say yes, so that I could go further. Nobody is speaking. Okay, you are hearing me. That means you are hearing me, isn't it? Yes, starring will end you the change of the presenter. No present, no. Okay, let me go for that because I did not get the response from you. That then I will go to that. I'm sure that you are hearing me. And first, ask the questions like this. Small questions are there, and which I would like to say that what are the questions? Yeah, and can anyone read is what I posted on the screen? Unmute and read. Quick. Unmute and read. Anyone? I said. Yes. Anyone can read it. Charles Vinay, can you read it? What I posted on the screen? Anyone can read, please, so that I can go further. Yes, yes, I heard them. Yes, please.
Definition of intellectual property.
Oh, enough. That much is enough. Yes, that means you are with me. Yeah, definition of the intellectual property. That answer is intellectual property law gives the artist, inventors, and other creators a monetary reason to work. Copyrights and patents allow the artists and inventors to stop anyone else from the selling their creation. What are the four types of the intellectual property? Generally, the patents, copyright, trademarks. These are the we are going to study. But in addition, the trade secrets also comes over there. Of course, anything which is invented over there, even a software also comes under the intellectual property unless until that you make it a registered or a copyright what you make it out. But intellectual property laws in India is generally the law on the subject is covered by the Copyright Act. That is the copyright for the artistic work, the trade and merchandise mark. Just I shown the logos and the patents, acts and designs. If any patent would be there, if any inventions are there, then you can make it a patent. If any design is there, you can also make it a design act. Under it, you can register it so that nobody could have to steal your intellectual property. That is the mind property. These are the mainly based on the English law on the subject, and what we are in the covering is the trademark and the copyright and the patent law in our study for the IIB, that is All India Bar Examination. What is the intellectual property? Give example. What is the intellectual property? Examples are when a person or a company hires a designer or a computer programmer, artist. Yes, mute. I am getting the sound. Other independent contractor, the party is hiring all own whatever work it is created, including the all rights under a trademark and patent or copyrights. Intellectual property examples would include the books, musics, inventions, and more. What is the violation of intellectual property? Answer is the general terms IP, that is intellectual property infringement, is any breach of the intellectual property right. That IP right, that is intellectual property rights, are infringed when a work is protected by the IP laws is used, copied, or otherwise exploited without any proper permission or from the person who owns the right. For example, an IP infringement are the counterfeiting and piracy. Means now the many piracy would be there for the movies. That the video piracy is there. This piracy is different from the pirates. Pirates means Gajadongalu. That is the sea pirates, which will be mostly in the coastal area. What happens if you break the intellectual property law? The answer is under the civil law, you may be subject to the court action and have to pay the damages. And criminal action may lead to the unlimited fines or custodial sentences, which would be up to the maximum of 10 years. What is the difference between intellectual property and copyright? Intellectual property is the protected by the law specific to the expression of an idea. Copyright is the law specific to the expression of ideas in visual or audio form. Unlike a trademark that indicates a specific item, a design is protected. A copyright covers the different expression of thought. In India, where the member of a TRIPS, yes, the TRIPS means in 1995, India joined the WTO and TRIPS agreement. WTO members were obligation to implement the TRIPS provisions by the 2000 to 2005 or 2016, depending upon their level of the development. India was given an extended period of time to make the patent regime and comply to TRIPS. These are the a preface which I have given over there. Now I will come to the point of the patent. First I would like to deal is that is the trademarks, not patents. First deal with the trademarks. So IB, that is All India Bar Examination, trademarks. The first question goes like this. There are four types of the intellectual property rights and protections. Although the multiple types of the intellectual property itself is there in the world. What are they? Of course, I already told the four. Then actually the answer will be the four only because that I made it over there. Say, what are the four? Can anybody will tell me now? Yes, unmute and give me the answer. Yes. In the four that we will study only the three.
Musical, dramatic. Hello.
No. Trade secret, trademarks, patent, copyright.
Okay.
These are the four are there. After the four, we will study only the three. What we study with three? Trademark, patent, and copyright. Yeah, the Trademark Act 1999 deals with the, what is the Trademark Act 1999 deals with the what? The protection, the registration or prevention of fraudulent use of trademarks, or all of the above. Answer is
All of the above.
All of the above is the answer correct, because the trademark will deals with the protection, the Trademarks Act deals with the registration, the Trademarks Act 1999 deals with the prevention and the fraudulent use of the trademark. So all of the above. Trademark defined under the dash of the Trademarks Act 1999. Which section will deals about the trademark? Section 2 ZAB, Section 2 ZA, Section 2 ZB, Section 2 ZC. The right answer is Section
Yes, sir, I think.
Section 2 ZB.
A, B, okay.
Section 2 ZB, that is the C is the right answer. Feedback. Trademark means a mark capable of being represented graphically and which is capable of distinguishing the goods or services of one person from those of the others, and many include shape of goods, their packaging, and a combination of colors also. Even colors also will be used over there. The Airtel, what is the color of the Airtel?
Red.
Anyone? Sir, blue. Red is the right answer. I appreciate. The Trademark Act of 1999 protects a well-known trademark in the following ways. Number 1, an action against the registration of the similar marks. Number 2, an action against the misuse of the well-known mark. C, both A and B. D, all of the above.
C, sir, both A and B.
ఎందుకు all of them above కాదా?
Both answers are same, sir.
కాగా which is the best answer?
C, sir.
All of the above is the right answer. Don't make it the C is the answer. Please, in the examination, don't make the C is the answer. You write the D is the answer, because you are a prudent man, and moreover you are the Professor Hussain students, and Professor Hussain students like a professor, more than the professor, what I want to say. Yes. What is the one of which is not IP right and protection? Tell me. What is one which is not? I say not IP right and protection. Trade secret, patents, copyrights, trademark, road mark.
Road mark, sir.
Easily one can make it out. A layman also make it out is the road mark. Examples of the trade secret include, yes, any one of examples of trade secrets include research for certain foods and beverages like the Mrs. Field and cookies and Sprite, new inventions, software, process, even different marketing strategies. All of the above. Answer is
B, sir. B.
all of the above.
All of the above.
Yes. What is the duration of the trademark in India? What is the duration of the trademark in India? How much the duration that you will keep the mark as is your own mark? 10 years. The registration of trademark is valid only for the period of 10 years, after which it can be renewed from time to time. Trademark renewal preserves those rights which are only available to the registered mark. When I shown the question, I did not hide the answer. That is the feedback. This is the feedback. This is the feedback. feedback. Back. Feedback this is. I did not hide the feedback. But still you are not in a position to give the answer to my question. Yes. Is it compulsory to register a trademark? Yes.
Yes, sir. B answer, sir.
Is it
B answer,
compulsory
sir.
to register a trademark?
Yes,
If I
sir.
want, I can make it up. If I don't want, I don't do. If I want that trademark would not be used by another person, yes, I will make the registration. If I want, okay, let them use it. Means I don't go to the trademark, register the trademark. Answer is no. But you did not give me the answer for the 3 mangoes. Trademark is for whom? Sir, maku teliyadu sir. Sir, పులి మార్క్ చుట్టాలంటే చెప్తాం సార్. అగ్గి పెట్టానండి 3 మ్యాంగోస్. ఎప్పుడు చూడలేదా అండి సార్? అది మీ అప్పుడు మీ జమానాలో కావచ్చు సార్, ఇప్పుడు లేదు సార్ అగ్గి పెట్టే 3 మ్యాంగోస్. ఓకే. రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ ట్రేడ్ మార్క్ ఇస్ నాట్ కంపల్సరీ. హౌఎవర్ ద రిజిస్ట్రేషన్ ఇస్ ద ప్రైమరీ ఫేజ్ ఎవిడెన్స్ ఫర్ ద proprietorship of the trademark under the registration. However, it is not noted that no suit can be instituted for infringement of unregistered trademarks. Register చేయకపోతే ఏం చేయరు? We cannot go to the court. If you register it, we can go to the court. మీరు అప్పులు ఇచ్చినాం అనుకోండి, అప్పు ఇచ్చినప్పుడు రాపించుకోవాలా? ఏది? తెల్ల కాగితం మీద అయినా కనీసం, లేకుంటే బాండ్ పేపర్ మీద. సార్ నా మాటనే నా కాగితం అంటే ఓకే ఇయ్యండి, ఇవ్వకపోతే హెల్ల చూసుకోండి. సార్ హెల్కి ఎందుకు చూసుకోవాలి సార్, వాడు ఈయనోడు హెల్కి పోతాడు సార్, నేను ఇచ్చినోడు నేను హెవెన్కి పోతాను కాదు సార్ అండి. ఓకే, తీసుకోవాలంటే మరి హెల్కి పోవాల్సిందే అప్పు తీసుకోవాలంటే. ఓకే, ట్రేడ్ మార్క్ లా డస్ నాట్ అండర్టేక్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ యాక్టివిటీస్. చెప్పండి, ట్రేడ్ మార్క్ లా డస్ నాట్ అండర్టేక్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ యాక్టివిటీస్. ఏది? టు రెగ్యులేట్ ద సేలా, పర్చేజ్ ఆఫ్ ది గూడ్సా, టు ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ ది గూడ్సా, టు కంట్రోల్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ రిజిస్టర్డ్ ట్రేడ్ మార్క్. Before I finish my word, you should, before I finish my question, that you should be in a position to give me the answer. Yes. To exchange of goods లేదండి ట్రేడ్ మార్క్ లా. టు రెగ్యులేట్ ద సేల్ ఉన్నది, పర్చేజ్ ఆఫ్ ది గూడ్స్ ఉన్నది, టు కంట్రోల్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ రిజిస్టర్డ్ ట్రేడ్ మార్క్ ఉన్నది, టు ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ద గూడ్స్ అనేది కల్పితం. Yes. The court stopped the defendant from using the red and white in its packaging and trading in the plaintiff and a preparatory rights over the combination were used for the toothpaste was observed in the case of. రెడ్ కలర్ టూత్ పేస్ట్ లో ఏది ఉంటదండి? ఏది? కవర్ ర్యాపర్ కాల్గేట్ ఉంటది. కాబట్టి ది ఆన్సర్ ఈస్
Colgate. B, sir.
కాల్గేట్ పాల్మరీ కంపెనీ వర్సెస్ యాంకర్ హెల్త్ అండ్ బ్యూటీ కేర్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్. ఇప్పుడు యాంకర్ హెల్త్ అండ్ బ్యూటీ కేర్ ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ అది 4 hands ఉన్నది. 4 hands టూత్ పేస్ట్ ని. అఫ్ కోర్స్ 4 hands టూత్ పేస్ట్ ఈజ్ నో మోర్ ఇన్ ద మార్కెట్ నౌ. ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఆల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిసపియర్డ్. బల్సార్ ఆల్సో ప్రైవేట్. బల్సార్ కూడా టూత్ పేస్ట్ లో చేస్తుంది. దాంట్లో ఆలివ్ ఆయిల్ ఉంటది. సో నాట్ ఆలివ్ ఆయిల్, దట్ ఇస్ ద క్లో ఆయిల్. CLOE క్లో ఆయిల్. క్లో ఆయిల్ అంటే ఏంటిదండి?
Meaning, sir.
లవంగం అండి. క్లో ఆయిల్ అంటే లవంగం అండి. ఓకే, విచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ద టూత్ పేస్ట్ బ్రాండ్? విచ్ వన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ద టూత్ పేస్ట్ బ్రాండ్? ఈ టూత్ పేస్ట్ బ్రాండ్ కాదు ఇది. కింది ఇట్లా ఏది? మెక్లిన్స్, ఫోరాన్స్, పెప్సోడెంట్, యాంకర్. యాంకర్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ద టూత్ పేస్ట్ బ్రాండ్. ఎందుకంటే మెక్లిన్స్ కూడా ఉన్నది, ఫోరాన్స్ కూడా ఉన్నది, పెప్సోడెంట్ కూడా ఉన్నది. సార్ మాకు మెక్లిన్స్ తెలియదు. ఓకే, మీరు ఫారెన్ పోయినప్పుడు ఫారెన్ దాంట్లో చూసినప్పుడు మెక్లిన్స్ కూడా బ్రాండ్ ఉంటుందని తెలుసుకోవాలా. ఇంటెలెక్చువల్ ప్రాపర్టీ రైట్ ఆర్ వేరియస్ టైప్స్, బట్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ వన్ ఆర్ యాజ్ ఫాలోస్. ఏవి మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి ఇంటెలెక్చువల్ ప్రాపర్టీ రైట్ లో?
All of the above, sir.
All of the above. At least I can appreciate you have given the right answer for that. Okay, ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి సార్. ఈ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పింది అనుకోండి, I can send you 100 rupees. గూగుల్ పేలో పంపిస్తాను. పరాగ్ సంఘవి is associated with shoe company, Indian cinema, cosmetic product, detergent product.
ఇండియన్ సినిమా.
ఐ అప్రిషియేట్. మీకు 100 rupees రావాల్సిందండి. ఇండియన్ సినిమా. ఏ సినిమా చెప్పగలుగుతారండి? డిస్ప్యూట్ ఉన్నది, ఒక కేసులా ఉన్నది దీని మీద.
చెప్పలేను సార్.
పరాగ్ సంఘవిది ఒక కేసులా ఉన్నది. షోలే ఫీడ్బ్యాక్. షోలే మీడియా ఎంటర్టైన్మెంట్ వర్సెస్ పరాగ్ సంఘవి CS. This is case concerned the remake of the Indian film Sholay. The defendant was restrained from the infringing the plaintiff copyright and registered trademarks in the title of the film Sholay and his key character Gabbar Singh and any other deceptively similar marks or names. ఇప్పుడు హేమమాలిని పేరు ఏంటిదండి దాంట్లో?
సార్
హేమమాలిని పేరు చెప్పాలా? తొందరగా చెప్పాలా? I appreciate. Very good. Yes, the 14th is in what is known till date as a landmark judgment in cyber squatting. ఇప్పటి వరకు సైబర్ స్క్వాటింగ్ ద ల్యాండ్ మార్క్ జడ్జ్మెంట్ ఉన్నది. ద ఢిల్లీ హైకోర్ట్ held that the domain name served as the same function as a trademark and was therefore entitled to equal protection was decided in the case of a landmark case law in the cyber squatting.
Yahoo Incorporation versus
Yes, very good. It is a Yahoo Incorporation versus Akash Arora and another is the landmark case law. Yes.
Sir, there is a clue.
Yes.
There is a clue.
Yeah, tell me.
The others are not involved with this nets, DM Entertainment.
I made just fabricated because people will think that in any way they will go over there, but a clue is already given over there because it's a tough question. So a clue is must because tough question needs a clue. Definitely, because others are different companies which is deals with the trademarks and other points, but the cyber squatting is a cyber crime, and the cyber crime is comes over in this manner. Okay, a copyright is a type of intellectual property protection and protects the original works authorship, which may not include literary work, mint, music, art, or product, computer software and architecture.
This
Mint.
music art, sir. Music art.
I say might not include, which might not, ఇక్కడ నాట్ చూపెట్టాను చూసారా మీరు, బోల్డ్ చేస్తున్నాను, నాట్.
Then product
Mint,
computer
sir.
మింట్
software.
మింట్ ఇస్ ద మింటింగ్ ఇస్ అండి, మైండ్ కాయిన్ మింటింగ్ కాదండి అది. మిగతాది లిటరీ వర్క్ వస్తుంది, మ్యూజిక్ వస్తుంది, ఆర్ట్ వస్తుంది, ప్రొడక్ట్ కంప్యూటర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్ వస్తుంది, ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ వస్తుంది, డిజైన్
What
వస్తుంది,
is
చిప్స్ వస్తాయి.
sir? What is
మింట్ అంటే కాయిన్స్ మింట్ చేయడం అండి, ఇది కల్పితం వేసిన ఒకటి ఒకటి కొట్టాను దాంట్లో.
But that also, if one reproduces it, that is also.
అది కౌంటర్ఫీట్ కరెన్సీలో వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఇక్కడ చూసిన దానికి ఆడమని అవుట్ అయింది అంటే మింట్ ఒకటే ఉన్నది.
Okay.
ఓకే, ఆడమన్ అవుట్ చూసుకోవాలండి ఎప్పుడైనా. యుజిస్టమ్ జెనరిస్. ఓకే, నైక్ సింబల్ which nearly all could easily recognize and identify is a type of
That is
copyright, trademark, patent, trade secret.
Trademark, sir.
ఇందాకనే చెప్పిన నేను లోగోలన్నీ, చవర్లైట్ చూపెట్టిన, రెనాల్డ్ చూపెట్టిన, మెర్సిడెస్ బెంజ్ చూపెట్టిన, హోండా చూపెట్టిన, ఆడియో చూపెట్టిన, ఇవన్నీ లోగోలు ట్రేడ్ మార్క్ కింద వస్తాయండి. ఇది కాపీ కొడితే కూడా ఇన్ఫ్రింజ్మెంట్ కింద వస్తుంది ఎప్పుడైతే అది రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకున్నారో. మరి వీళ్ళందరూ రిజిస్టర్ చేసుకున్నారా లేదా అండి ఈ కంపెనీస్?
Yes, sir.
మరి వోల్క్స్ వాగన్ ఏది వస్తుందండి చెప్పండి లోగో?
W.
వి పైన ఉంటది, డబ్ల్యూ కింద ఉంటది.
Oh.
విడబ్ల్యూ అది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ సింబల్ ఈజీగా చెప్పగలుగుతారు మీరు.
This is Nike.
Nike is the below image. For Nike is what is the product of Nike?
The shoe.
Shoe product. Is it a sports shoe?
Yeah, sports shoe also.
What is Fila? Is subsidiary question. Fila. Fila. Fila.
Fila, that is soccer.
అవసరం లేదు, సక్కరే కావాలని ఏమున్నది. అది ఫీఫా. ఇది ఫీఫాలో ఫీలా ఎక్కువ వాడతారు, అక్కడ అడిడాస్ కూడా వాడతారు, నైక్ కూడా వాడతారు, ప్యూమా. ఇది ఆల్ షూస్. ఫీలా ఆల్సో షూ, ఏ బ్రాండెడ్ షూ ఇన్ ద వరల్డ్.
Puma shoe. Okay.
ప్యూమా ఆల్సో. అఫ్ కోర్స్ బాటా పెట్టలే, ఎందుకంటే బాటా అందరికి తెలుసు కాబట్టి.
Puma shoe is there.
ఎస్. న్యూ బ్యాలెన్స్, ఆసిక్స్, బర్బెర్రీ belongs to branded company manufacture what dash in the world? New Balance, Asics, Burberry belongs to branded company manufacture what in the world?
Belts.
Shoe. ఇవన్నీ వేరే కంపెనీలు షూస్. ఇవన్నీ న్యూ కూడా బ్యాలెన్స్, ఆసిక్స్, బర్బరీ ఈజ్ వరల్డ్ ఫేమస్ షూ కంపెనీస్ ఆల్సో. యా, లైక్ బాటా పెట్టలేదు దాంట్లో నేను. ద ఫాలోయింగ్ యాక్ట్స్ డీల్ విత్ ద ప్రొటెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటెలెక్చువల్ ప్రాపర్టీ. The following that deal with the protection of intellectual property. Number 1, trademarks.
Patent. All of the above.
All of the above is the right answer, because Trademarks Act of 1999, which you are studying now, and Patents Act of 1970, as amended by the 2005 copy, then the Copyright Act 1956, and all of the above. The Design Act, because the Mida kuda unnai. Design Act unnadi 2000, Geographical Indication of Goods Registration Protection Act 1999, and Semiconductor Integrated Circuit Layouts Design Act 2000, the Protection of the Plant Varieties and the Farmers Rights Act 2001, the Information Technology Act 2000. If suppose నేను రాసిన అనుకోండి, దాంట్లో ఏది ట్రేడ్ యాక్ట్, ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ టెక్నాలజీ యాక్ట్, కాపీరైట్ యాక్ట్ రాసిన అనుకోండి, ఈవెన్ దో యూ కెన్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ టెక్నాలజీ యాక్ట్ ఆల్సో ఇన్ యాక్ట్ విచ్ డీల్స్ అబౌట్ ద ఇంటెలెక్చువల్ ప్రాపర్టీ లా. Yes, the first legislation in India relating to the patents was the first legislation in India relating to patent was the Patents and Design Protection Act.
Act 6 of 1856.
Appreciate. It is the Act 6 of the 1856 is the first act regarding the legislation regarding the patents. This appeal arises out of the suit of the permanent injunction restraining the defendant from the selling the chewing tobacco containing the tins or packets bearing the trademark of an elephant, which is a colorable limitation of the plaintiff's trademark. ఏ కేసు లాదండి. Thomas Bear and Sons India, Prayag Narayan or Thomas Bear and Sons India, Pranay Narayan, or Thomas Cook and Sons India, Pranay Narayan, or Thomas Bird and Sons in India, Pranay Narayan. Is tobacco tin? Yes, la. The answer is the first one. That is the Thomas Bear and Sons India versus Prayag Narayana is the right answer for that one. Okay, what is GATS? GATS, GATS. We have given the
General
T.
Agreement on Trade in Services.
అక్కడ చెప్పాలా, నాకు నెంబర్ చెప్పాలా, ఏ బియా సియా డియా?
A.
సర్వీసెస్ సర్వీస్ అనేది
Services.
Option D, sir.
Services.
yes, that's a GAT, right? I appreciate. Okay, Bangalore tomato, Shimla mirchi, Agra ka petha, Mathura ka peda, covered under Ruchi Act.
Geographical Indications Act.
That is appreciate. Geographical Indication Act 1999. Okay. The meaning of TRIPS or full form of TRIPS is
Trade-related aspect of intellectual property. Last one, D.
Is it property or properties?
Properties.
Properties, sir.
ఏం లేదు, చూపెడతాను, ఇక్కడ చదవండి ఇప్పుడు.
Property, sir.
ఎస్ వస్తుందా రాదా?
Radu.
ఎస్ వస్తుందండి ఎక్కడ, ఎందుకంటే ఎస్ ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళి వచ్చిందండి? అది ఎస్
Rights.
రైట్స్ లకి వెళ్ళి వచ్చింది. ప్రాపర్టీ ఇస్ యాక్చువల్లీ ద ట్రేడ్ రిలేటెడ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటెలెక్చువల్ ప్రాపర్టీ రైట్స్. అది ప్రాపర్టీ రైట్స్ వెళ్ళి ఎస్ వచ్చింది అది. కానీ మనం ఇచ్చింది ఇక్కడ ఏంటిది? ఇక్కడ మనం ఇచ్చామా రైట్స్ అన్నావా లేదా? యాక్చువల్లీ దట్ ప్రాపర్టీ రైట్స్ కూడా రావాలి అక్కడ. ఇజ్ ఇట్ నాట్? ఇక్కడ
Sir.
ప్రాపర్టీ రైట్స్ కూడా రావాలి. యాక్చువల్లీ దిస్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ వే ఆఫ్ రైట్స్ కూడా రావాలి ఇక్కడ. రైట్స్, ఇది కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. ఇది ఏమున్నది? దిస్ అగ్రిమెంట్ ఈజ్ ఇంటర్ ఏలియా కంటైన్స్ ద అగ్రిమెంట్ ఆన్ ద ట్రేడ్ రిలేటెడ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటెలెక్చువల్ ప్రాపర్టీ రైట్స్. మరి ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నావు? ఆన్ అన్నావు, ఇన్ అన్నావు. ఇది కూడా జాగ్రత్త చూసుకోండి, బికాజ్ ఇట్స్ ద లెర్నింగ్ ప్రాసెస్. ద ట్రేడ్ రిలేటెడ్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటెలెక్చువల్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ అన్నాం ఇక్కడ. సో కాబట్టి యాక్చువల్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ టైమ్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ rights is the appropriate word. That is the D1 is the word. Okay, TRIPS came into force on
January
1995, sir.
1993.
yes, appreciate. This is the regarding the intellectual trade is concerned. Then I will switch on to the another aspect. That is the aspect of let me check. Copyright will go to the we'll see the patents or copyright will see it. So MCQ in the Copyright Act of 1957. How many chapters dash and how many sections dash in the Copyright Act of 1957? Answer is
579.
what is 5?
Chapters.
అక్కడ ఏ ఉన్నది? ఏ కరెక్టా, బి కరెక్టా, సి కరెక్టా, డి కరెక్టా?
B.
It is XV. X ante 10, V ante 5. 15 chapters and 79 sections. That is the right answer. Intellectual property is dash and Copyright Act 1957 is a చెప్పండి, ఏది జీనస్, ఏది స్పెసి? Which is genus, which is specie?
Intellectual property is genus. Copyright is species.
ఇంకా వేరే స్పెసిస్ చెప్పండి. సబ్సిడరీ క్వశ్చన్ ఇది. వాట్ ఆర్ ద అదర్ స్పెసిస్ అండర్ ద
Copyright,
Trademark, sir.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను కదండి నేను ట్రేడ్ మార్క్స్ వస్తుంది, ట్రేడ్ సీక్రెట్స్ వస్తుంది, డిజైన్ వస్తుంది, మొత్తం అన్ని వస్తాయి.
Patent is also genus.
Yes, everything. ఇది సబ్సిడరీ క్వశ్చన్స్ అది స్క్రీన్ మీద లేదు. బికాస్ దే మే ఆస్క్ ఇన్ దట్ వే ఆల్సో విచ్ ఇస్ జీనస్, విచ్ ఇస్ స్పెసిస్. హియర్ ఐ మేడ్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఓన్లీ కాపీరైట్ యాక్ట్.
Geographical,
Yes, everything. ఇప్పుడు టాట్ ఈజ్ ఎ స్పెసి. జీనస్ చెప్పండి టాట్ కి.
uh,
టాట్ ఈజ్ ఎ స్పెసి. జీనస్ చెప్పండి టాట్ కి.
common law.
అంటే కామన్ లా ఈజ్ ఎ ప్రొసీజర్. యాక్చువల్లీ నెగ్లిజెన్స్ ఈజ్ ద పార్ట్.
Civil.
Negligence, from there all this comes. Yes, come to the point. Which of the following would not gain the copyright protection? ఏది కాపీరైట్ ప్రొటెక్షన్ కింద రాదు?
Unrecorded speech.
Unrecorded speech which will not come under the copyright protection. Feedback ఏంటిది? Under the Copyright Design and Patent Act 1988, copyright exists in the original literary, dramatic, musical or artistic work, sound recordings or films or broadcast, and the typographical arrangement of the published edition, but it must be in a permanent form by the being recorded in some way. Therefore, the unrecorded speech would not gain protection. That is the feedback. What is the duration of the copyright protection for a novel?
No, for the novel is
ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ ఇచ్చారు కదండి, కిందనే ఉన్నది ఆన్సర్.
60 years after that.
ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ అనేది ఉన్నది ఆన్సర్. ఎక్కడ మీరు కనబడుతుంది మీకు? ఆ,
60
మీకు
years
feed-
after
feed-
death of writer.
ఫీడ్బ్యాక్ లో ఏమున్నది? 70 years లేదండి.
Or until the death of the
A
copyright.
novel is a literary work and the duration of the copyright is 70 years from the end of the calendar year in each of the which the author died. Answer is D is the right answer. Yes, which one of the following action is not a breach of copyright? ఏది ఇది బ్రీచ్ ఆఫ్ కాపీరైట్ కాదు. టు ఇంపోర్ట్ ఏ కాపీడ్ CDs, అది పైరసీ అవుతుంది. ఓకే,
To borrow a CD from a friend and copy it to your laptop.
yeah, that is the point. Borrow a CD from a friend and a copy to your laptop from your own private use, it is said to be the breach of a copyright. Yeah, that is the feedback is there is a narrow personal copying exception which came into the force in October 2014. This allows an individual to copy the content they own and acquired the lawfully another medium or device for their own private use. Next is sixth question is, this act may be called the Copyright Act 1957, extend to the whole of the India except
Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. And all the
కావాలని దాచిన ఇక్కడ నేను జమ్మూ అండ్ కాశ్మీర్ కాదు. ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్లికబుల్ టు ద హోల్ ఇండియా. It is applicable to the whole India. None of the above is the right answer for that one. Yes, according to the Copyright Act 1957, the following is not protected work. ఏది protected work కాదు? Literary musical work? No, it is a protected work. Dramatic and artist work? Yes, it is a protected work. Next, cinematography work and audio tape and computer software?
variations of typographic ornamentation lettering.
Yes, the D1 is not a copyright, will come under it. The most essential precondition for copyright of literary work is that the work should be, number one, original related to the expression of thought. The work must not be copied from another work. It should not be originated from another work. All of the above. Answer is?
All of the above.
All of the above. Copyright is a civil right or criminal right or legal right or moral right?
Legal right.
It is a legal right. The Copyright Rules 1958 consisting of dash rules under chapter dash and 2 schedules. How many rules and how many
Total,
chapters?
sir, it is not 27 and 9, sir.
No, 28. 28 rules and chapters, 9, 2 schedules. Yes, which court can try the criminal offences or cases under the Copyright Act 1957? Metropolitan Magistrate or First Class Judicial Magistrate or Second Class Judicial Magistrate or the D, both A and B?
A and B, sir. D.
Answer is A and B is the right. No. It is dealt by the second class judicial magistrate. అరే సార్ సెకండ్ క్లాస్ జ్యుడిషియల్ మేజిస్ట్రేట్ అంటే ఇక ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ రాడా అండి? అసలు ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ జ్యుడిషియల్ మేజిస్ట్రేట్ పెద్దనా, సెకండ్ క్లాస్ జ్యుడిషియల్ మేజిస్ట్రేట్ పెద్దనా?
ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ జ్యుడిషియల్ మేజిస్ట్రేట్.
ప్లీజ్ చెక్.
ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ జ్యుడిషియల్ మేజిస్ట్రేట్ ఎక్కువ సార్.
సెకండ్ క్లాస్ అంటే తక్కువనేనా? మరి అటువంటిప్పుడు సెకండ్ క్లాస్ మేజిస్ట్రేట్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఏంటిది దీంట్లో? నా దాంట్లో రాసిన సి అని రాశాను నేను. సెకండ్ క్లాస్ జ్యుడిషియల్ మేజిస్ట్రేట్ ఇస్ ద రైట్ ఆన్సర్. బట్ ఎనీవే యూ చెక్ ఇట్ వెదర్ సబ్జెక్ట్ టు ద కండిషన్. Yes, copyright refers to the bundle of exclusive rights vested in the owner of the copyright by virtue of the section dash of the Copyright Act 1957.
11.
Answer is
11.
no, it is a 14. Copyright refers to the bundle of exclusive right vested in the owner of the copyright by virtue of the section 14 of the Copyright Act of 1957. So now you read what is 13 question that you read. Anyone can read? 13 question.
Civil under dash of Indian Copyrights Act.
Okay.
7 cents.
Then which is the answer for that one?
61.
Yes. Which is the right answer?
A.
Yes, any other people? Which is the right answer for that one? Answer is 63. It is a both civil and criminal under section. Answer is 63. It is a both criminal and civil in the Indian Copyright Act. That is the answer. The dash of the Copyright Act 1947. Is it 47? 57 is there? Yes, because a typographical error here. It is not a 47. It is a 57. Yes, it is a 57. And enumerates the works in which the copyright subsists and copyright exists in the software. Software.
Section 11.
Section 13 is where that copyright will come under the picture. The song itself, it does not have a copyright. However, the written words of the song can be copyrighted as a fictitious work, a literary work, an artificial work, or an artistic work.
Fictitious artistic work.
It is a literary work. It is a song song itself does not have the copyright. However, the written words of the song is a literary work. అది రతపూర్వకం ఉన్నది కాబట్టి లిటరీ ఆర్టిస్టిక్ వర్క్ ఏదైతుందంటే ఏదో ఆర్ట్ అవుతుందో దాంట్లో అవుతుందండి. స్కల్ప్చర్స్, డ్రాయింగ్స్, ద థింగ్ విల్ కమ్ అండి ఆర్టిస్టిక్ వర్క్. ఓకే, సబ్స్టాన్షియల్ అమెండ్మెంట్ వర్ క్యారీడ్ టు ద కాపీరైట్ యాక్ట్ 1957 in the which year? Substantial amendment were carried to the Copyright Act 1957. The answer is
May 2012.
May 2012. The substantial amendment is done to the Copyright Act. Yes, India is a member of the DASH conventions and universal copyright conventions. Where? Berne convention. అందుకోసం మనం కాపీరైట్ లో రాస్తాం. బెర్నే కన్వెన్షన్ ప్రకారము వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఐ సైటెడ్ ఈస్ దేర్, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ కాపీడ్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎనీవేర్ అని రాస్తాం మనం. అంటే ఇక్కడ రాస్తారు రాయాలి కానీ ఇన్ అదర్ కంట్రీస్ దే విల్ రైట్ ద కాపీరైట్ లా అండర్ ద బెర్నే కన్వెన్షన్ డెఫినెట్లీ దే విల్ మెన్షన్ చేస్తారు. Yes, copyright subsists throughout the India, not in the following classes of works. I said not. Domestic works is the right answer. The creator of the work under the Copyright Act 1957 is cannot prohibit and summarize, authorize anyone. Endulo answer is, because I wrote the first is the correct answer, to produce the work in any form such as the print, sound and video act. That is the correct answer for that one. Yes, number 20, which is not decided a case in the Copyright Act 1957. ఏదైతే decided కాదు, not decided a case.
Colgate Palmolive Company and Anchor Health Beauty.
సో కాపీరైట్ కింద రాదు. ఈ పాల్మోలివ్ ట్రేడ్ మార్క్ కింద వస్తుంది కాబట్టి plaintiff number 1 is the company incorporated under the laws of United States of America having the principal office in New York. Plaintiff 2 is the publicly limited company And plaintiff 1 is the proprietary trademark Colgate, whereas the plaintiff 2 is the registered license company, means Colgate is not come under it because Colgate come under the trademark. Yes. Copyright law entered in the year dash in India through an enactment during the regime of the East India Company.
1848.
1847 is the right answer for that one. Yeah, this is about the copyright, and the time is going to up, and tomorrow that will be the patent, but the patent will deal in a very exclusive way. If the time permits over there, I also deal the trade secrets. Of course, trade secrets will not be there or will not be there because when you say the intellectual property, they say the trade secrets also comes under it. Because when you studied over here in the trademarks or the copyright, there we can say that even a trade secrets also comes under the intellectual property law. Of course, many other things will come under the property law, but the only the thing is we have only the few that only the two questions are there. For instance, I will show you that how many questions are asked in this one. Only two intellectual property law. Because for that two, we have to struggle this much. But at least knowledge is knowledge. Even two is also, even one also is counts a lot. Intellectual property law is two. So now, yes, sir. And I will see that yes, participants list I'm seeing. Okay. Yes, yes. Let me take the delete print out. Okay. Now you tell me. Of course, I had a talk with our now our Srinivasa Sharma sir also because the marks which is allotted is a 10-10 for the marks here, the CPC Code of Civil Procedure 10 marks here. So I requested Srinivasa Sharma sir, please come to our rescue our students. And he literally that he is agreed over there, but he will announce himself, not myself, because he can deal the CPC very beautiful manner, and he alternative dispute redressal, including the Arbitration Act also means 14 marks are in there in the hands of the Srinivasa Sharma sir. And the next class I will deal the patent. Then I will also deal the cyber law. And tomorrow class that I will deal the patents as well as the cyber law. The cyber law is the two questions and the patents are part of it, which I'll deal the tomorrow class if everything goes well. Now the time is 11:01 because my class started at 10:15. After 2 or 3 minutes I late started over there because I want to see the how many people will be waiting for me. That's my point.
Thank you very much,
Because
sir.
yes,
Thank you.
and that if anything would be asked, that you can ask me in the individual by sending the WhatsApp message, and you can call me if you need any if anything from my side. With this I would like to close down now, but I would like to show you one thing because that is the way that I am searching for that one. Because in the other countries, that how do you write it, that I want to show it. When you want to write the yes, just a minute, because I told you now we will all generally mentioned the yes, Gita Bernards, yeah. Okay. Because I've forgotten her name because I valued her things. Yes. Oh yes. Because I told you no. How do you write it? Chapter one. Yeah. This is chapter one. Yeah, this is regarding the chapter one. Then all work is total style of writing, total Kimario. Yes, because when you write certification, this is the style of writing. It's certification we not declaration is not necessary over there. Copyright. See, can you anybody will read? Read loudly. Yes.
The dissertation is a copyright material protected under the Berne Convention,
Of course, it's the local act that is it. The Copyright and Neighboring Act.
Neighboring Act of 1999, and other international and national enactments on intellectual property rights. No part of my work may be reprinted or reproduced or utilized in any form by any means, electronic, mechanical, or any other means, without written permission of Director of Undergraduate Studies on behalf of the author and the University of Dar es Salaam.
This is the LLB. In LLB also you have to write it. But here nothing is there. Because the Kimario is Emma. She is a very beautiful writing. That's why I am the supervisor for her. That Professor Dr. Muhammad Saib Hussain supervisor. And this the title is The Challenges Facing the National Environmental Management Council in Addressing the Noise Pollution. And a case study of the Kiranandi district. We made it and we published it in India with the joint authorship. See, I will show you that thing also. A proof also needed whenever you want to see. Yes, in the CV that I have already mentioned, because it is me and both we wrote it, and it is published by the a beautiful company EBC. What is EBC? Yes.
EBC.
See here, Hussain and Kimario. A study of noise pollution in emerging economics, a case of study of Tanzania, Supreme Court cases, volume 7, part 2, 2003, 13, page number 24, 27 to 47. See, 27 to 47 means total 20 pages. Hussain and Kimario. I am not beating my own trump. I am showing with the proof. That's what I want to
Sir,
say. Yes.
EBC is something electronic.
Eastern Book Company.
Book
Eastern.
company, sir.
Wadhwa. Allahabad Law Series.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Gogia.
Yes.
These are all the companies. See, the another also that Hussain and Kaijage. He is also my student. Necessary amendment in the legal framework of the Tanzanian Constitution. The Orient Journal of Law and Social Sciences. It is published over there. So these are the things which I do it in general. And if anybody is also going to write it, please write an article and we will send to a beautiful journal with a joint authorship.
What a contribution of you, sir, towards this legal studies.
Yeah, you see. Because it is there, it is, I die if I don't teach. That is the secret. Trade secret I have given. So I'll stop now sharing it and meet you tomorrow with the patent and cyber laws. Thank you very much for your patient listening and see you again. Have a good day. Goodbye.